I mean, what can get worse from here? That we don't have a trade deal. That is more or less accepted now. But even if we have a trade deal at current sanctioned rates, do you think the markets have accepted it and moved on?
More or less. Also remember, Shell, that Indian listed space is not that exposed to the US. In the sense, we don't have much physical exports within and wherever we have physical exports, that's not a very significant segment of the listed market, like gems and jewelry or garments. Pharma is one place where we do have, but pharma again, most of the large exporters from India have plants in the US that they have already done. Though, I mean, in our pharma portfolio, we were looking, we have more companies who are more in on the domestic side than the exports. But even looking at companies which have substantial exports to the US, most of them have plants there. So I don't think, either way it will make a huge difference to the Indian listed space. Unless on IT comes up with something further than what he has already. Again, IT models are also mainly de-risked. I mean, if you look at most IT companies, they are none of them. I mean, I was looking at the top 10 H1B company list. There was only one Indian company in that list, which was TCS. Otherwise, you had the Amazon, the Google, and the Metas of the world. So, again, there's not that much where there is potential damage. And if we get a better than expected deal, let us see, maybe.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.